So, hello friends, once more I welcome you all to this playlist of HTML coding. Okay, so once again, as you are screening on the you are seeing on the screen, sorry for the interruption, but as you are seeing on your screen, the sentence welcome to the HTML coding. Okay, and this will be beginning of the HTML coding. As in the previous video we were just gone through the introduction video, but from this we'll be starting. Okay, so not taking much time again, let's straight away go to the video. So let's begin our second video of this playlist. Okay, as we had some short summary in the previous video, let's summarize what had we learned in the previous video, because that's one the introduction video what we have learned will be used in this upcoming video, and not more but just a short summary what we have learned. Okay, the first was what is HTML, the elements included in HTML, the tags, attributes, what are these tags and attributes, and why these are necessary. Okay, and for what is HTML useful. So after getting this some short knowledge, let's move on to the HTML. Okay, so seeing further, in this video we will learning the following stuff. The first one, on what platform can we perform HTML, and second will be how to download, the third is requirements, and the four is some HTML basics. Okay, not to go deep inside on this slide because just index type. Okay, so let's move on to further again. Okay, this is the most important thing before starting HTML, because the C language, Python, and this all require some basic not basic but some advanced type of software or applications on your PCs, or application types on our mobile. But HTML doesn't require that advanced type of softwares or application, because uh, in mobiles too the HTML viewer application is pre-installed, means you can type means you can code and see the HTML result on your mobile. Pre-installed application is there, HTML viewer, you can watch it. Okay, and in the PCs the thing is there's a notepad type of application which is pre-installed. Okay, not to download or update something that, but it's pre-installed. We just need that. Okay, the result will be seen on the browsers. Okay, we'll be seeing in the upcoming videos again. This is just a theory type of explanation. Okay, we don't require some special platform for HTML such as Python or C requires, and we just require notepad which is already installed in our computers. Okay, no need to download any special software. Okay, not to go deep inside, just we need notepad which is pre-installed on our laptops or PC. Okay, let's move further. Okay, now let's start the HTML topic now. Okay, going with starting with the HTML. The first and the most is HTML basics. What is the basic of HTML? Okay, starting with all HTML documents must start with a document type declaration, doc type HTML. Okay, this is the most basic one we have just entered. Okay, you just need to go through this. Okay, how is this used and what are the uses, how it is used, I will be showing in that the tutorial type of what we said, and that also, and I will be showing in the next video too. Just okay, the content related examples in the next video, but for just let's go through it. Okay, this doc type of, okay, one second. Okay, this doc type HTML. Okay, what is that? Okay, I have said that the most important two things were the tags and attributes. Okay, these are called the tags or attributes used in the HTML. This is the first type of tags. We can say that, okay, that right angle triangle and the left angle triangle, sorry, not triangle, sorry for that, the right angle and the left angle characters are there in that, uh, exclamatory mark and then doc type HTML. This is the first type of tags, okay, which we're gonna use. Okay, uh, the HTML document itself begins with the HTML tag and ends with the HTML end tag. Means, what are the difference? Okay, this and this one. Okay, the basic difference will be when we start coding, the first tag we used is the doc type HTML. Okay, this is just for a knowledge that this document type is HTML. Okay, as we are seeing, let me change the color of the pen, means you will get to know this. Sorry for the introduction, I will erase everything and then do, let's change the color to light one. Okay, I'm highlighting. Okay, this doc type HTML means what? Okay, it's just a type of tag used to know the user that the document which you are seeing on the screen right now is a type of HTML file. Means, doc type means documentation type. This document is type of HTML, so it's a basic tag related to just know the knowledge that this document is type of a HTML. Okay, the next is the HTML document itself begins with the HTML tag and ends with the HTML end tag. Means what? Okay, the tags are started with just the angle right angle, the HTML and the left angle closing it, but when any of the tags ends, it ends with the tag such as the right angle, then comes the backward slash, sorry, forward slash, and then comes the HTML and the left angle. Any of the tag ending will be started with the right angle, then comes the forward slash, then the tag's name, and then it will come with the left character. Okay, so the visible, let's move on further. The visible part of the HTML document is between the starting tag of body and the end tag of body. Okay, uh, we will be seeing more further examples, then you will get to know. Just go on through go going through this is the result we see on the internet. Okay, that all is coded between this end tag, the starting tag and the end tag named body. Okay, we'll be saying further, uh, I will be showing you when to use what and what will be the visual part and what not will be the visible part. Just for the sake of information, the visible part will be the starting tag of body and the end tag of body, the middle part. Okay, let's move further. Okay, now what is that doc type declaration? Okay, the doc type declaration represents the document type and helps browsers to display web pages correctly. Means, it's just a tag used to show what is the document type. The browsers recognizes that this doc type HTML is a file which is HTML, so it shows. Okay, not too much worry about this declaration. If if you doesn't write this declaration, then to this coding languages works. Okay, moving on to further, it must only appear once at the top of the pages before any HTML tags. The doc type declaration is not a case sensitive. The doc type declaration for HTML5 is okay. Let's move on to further. So let's move further. HTML headings. HTML headings are defined with the tag h1 to h6 tags. Okay, h1 tag, h2 tag, h3, h4, h5 and h6 tags. Okay, the h1 defines the most important heading, then h6 defines the least important heading. Means, is the type of ranking that h1 most important, then h2 the least important, and then comes down to the h3 which defines the least important heading. Okay, as we are seeing the example. Okay, one sec, I will be highlighting. Okay, this one. Okay, see the syntax, that h1 heading, starting heading h1, this is the heading 1, and then the closing or ending, which is the end, using that forward slash h1 means, okay, this is the syntax used. Okay, not much to think, but the most important thing. Okay, one sec, I will be showing you writing. Okay, uh, uh, let's start with the h1. Okay, this is the syntax I will be writing. Okay, and let's go with the heading, or anything which you want to display as the heading, and then closing with forward slash and h1 and closing. Okay, as you are saying, this is known as the html headings. Okay, let's move on to further, that html paragraphs are defined with the p tag. Okay, as you are seeing the examples, starting tag p, this is the first paragraph, and ending tag p again. Okay, I will be showing an example writing again. Okay, the syntax is starting tag with p, then the whatever paragraph you write. Okay, I will be not writing, just I will show you example, the paragraph and something else, and then again ending with the forward slash, then again p tag and closing it. Okay, this is a syntax for html paragraphs. Okay, uh, let's move on to further now. Okay, not moving further, this is the end of today's video, because as I told, this is the just starting or touching point of the HTML basics, so we'll be learning more in the upcoming videos. So this is it for today, we'll stop here today. We'll meet in the next video with some more interesting information and further information about HTML. So thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you again. So let's meet in the next video.
¿Qué onda, muchacho? Arriba las manos, caballo moreno, penetra tu barrio, te enseño rolas de rock.